All right, so in this video is gonna be real brief, real quick. First things first, I created a Facebook account. It's a personal account, my personal stuff on there. My Instagram account is more business related, leather related. So if you guys are interested, follow me down there. Second thing is primarily the purpose of this video, and that is if you guys want your premium Firefighter suspenders and premium radio strap by Christmas, you have to order by October 31st. So put your order in by October 31st so I can guarantee you get your leather by Christmas. Also, I know that USPS, they increased their shipping time. That's why I want to get the orders by the 31st so I can ship them out by December 1st, the latest. All right, so put your orders in by the 31st, and so you can get it by Christmas. The third thing, I don't know if third, second, fourth, whatever. If you happen to put your order in after the 31st, or run out of stock, or the color option is not available, there's going to be a wait list on there that you can actually sign up for the wait list on that product. And as soon as I get the inventory in stock, it sends you an automatic email that says, hey, we're back in stock, put your order in. Okay, so there's that option as well. Another option, third, fourth, I don't know, fifth, sixth option, not option, but another option, what am I saying, is there's going to be gift cards as well. So on the website, it's pretty obvious, self-explanatory. It's a gift card, and that gift card is electronic. Send it to someone, and when they are ready, at their leisure, they can order whatever they want with that gift card, the little purchase number or whatever on there. So that's another option if I run out of stock, or you put your order in after the 31st, you'll have that option as well as a gift card. All right, so that's all I got for you today. God bless you. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye.